I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel
Government and Political System of Cyprus. Ang 1960 Constitution of Cyprus ay nagbibigay ng paghahati sa kapangyarihan sa pagitan ng mga komunidad ng Griego at Turkish Cypriot. Ang mga boto sa mga mahalagang issue ay nangangailangan ng hiwalay na boto sa parlamento. Ang Griegong Cypriot na Pangulo at ang Turkish Cypriot na Vice-Pangulo ay parehong may karapatan na iboto sa mahalagang desisyon. So, ang sistema ng pamahalaan sa Cypriot ay presidential na may hiwalay na kapangyarihan sa pamamagitan ng ehekutibo at lehislatura. So, ang mga halalan sa Pangulo ay ginaganap tuwing 5 taon. So, yon, ginaganap siya tuwing 5 taon ang halalan dito sa bansang Cyprus. At ang susunod na halalan naman sa Pangulo ay dapat nasa Pebrero 28. Ang mga ministro na itinalaga ng Pangulo ay hindi maaaring magkaroon ng mga pwesto sa House of Representatives. So, ganun yung pamahalaan o ganun yung sistema ng government or political system ng Cyprus. Ang House of Representatives ay nahalal sa pamamagitan ng proportional representation. Ang karaniwang term nito ay 5 taon. So, 3 government branches of Cyprus. Meron tayong 3 branches ng government ng Cyprus. Una na rito ang legislative, executive, and judiciary. So, first is legislative. Pagka sinabing legislative, ito ay ang sangay ng pamahalaan na responsable sa paglikha at pagpapatupad ng batas o ng mga batas. Sa Cyprus, ang legislatibong sangay ay binubuo ng mga House Representative o Kamara ng mga kinatawanan. Sila ang nagpapatibay ng mga batas, nag-aaproba ng budget ng bansa, at nag-oversight sa iba't ibang gawain ng pamahalaan. Pangalawang branches ng government ng Cyprus ay ang executive. So kapag sinabi nating executive, ito ang sangay ng pamahalaan na nagsasagawa at nagpapatupad ng mga batas. Sa Cyprus, ang executive sangay ay pinamumunuan ng president ng Cyprus. So, ang Pangulo ang naghahalal ng mga miyembro ng gabinete at ang nagpapatupad ng mga pulisiya ng bansa. Kasama rin dito ang iba pang mga departamento at ahensya ng pamahalaan na sumusuporta sa Pangulo sa pagpapatupad ng batas at pulisiya ng bansa. At ang huli sa branches ng government ng Cyprus ay ang judiciary. So kapag sinabi nating judiciary, ito ay ang sangay ng pamahalaan na nagpapatupad ng batas at nagpapatibay o nagbibigay ng katarungan sa mga legal na usapin. So sa Cyprus, ang judiciary ay binubuo ng iba't ibang antas ng mga hukuman, mula sa mga lokal na hukuman hanggang sa pinakamataas na hukuman ng bansa. Ang hukuman ang nagbibigay ng interpretasyon sa batas at nagpapasya sa mga kasong kriminal, sibil at administratibo.
The Human Development Index of Cyprus, which is the index used by the United Nations to measure the progress of a country, was 0.896 points in 2021. Leaving it in the 29th place in the table of 191 countries published. This means that Cyprus is a well-developed country where its citizens enjoy a high standard of living. As a proof of it, its GDP per capita as per the latest estimates place it in $32,048, which also places it among the top earning or high income earning countries in the world. The latest Corruption Perception Index or CPI by Transparency International, based on their report, examined 180 countries and regions based on perceived levels of corruption in the public sector. In a scale from 0, which means highly corrupt, to 100, which means very clean, for Cyprus the score given is 53 points compared to 52 in 2022, returning to the levels of 2021, which is 53. This means that Cyprus has a fairly clean government, which is comparable to the rest of the world. Tax policies. Cyprus tax residents pay general and foreign taxes on their income worldwide at tax rates ranging from 20 to 35% of their annual income. For those tax residents who earn 19,500 euros or less, they were exempted from being taxed. Companies pay a corporate tax of 12.5%. There's a special regime for retirees in Cyprus. If they earn 3,420 euros or less, they were exempted from being taxed. But if they earn above that margin, then they pay 5% of it for their tax. Now, tax residents of Cyprus enjoy benefits that were given to them by their government, such as free healthcare. Here are the two among many progressive laws of Cyprus. The first one is the revised employment law, which allows workers to apply for a paid leave a month after their first month of employment. It also extends the benefits of paid leave. Based on this law, workers who are newly hired are now eligible to apply for a paid leave, assuming that the conditions were valid. The second is the Consumer Protection Law, which outlines the rights of consumers, such as their right to information, fair and honest trade practices, and protection from unsafe products. This ensures that the consumer is being protected from unfair practices of businesses. This is the competitiveness landscape of Cyprus. It is broken down into 4 categories: its economic performance, government efficiency, business efficiency, and in its infrastructure. As for its economic performance, its domestic economy, international trade and investments were quite low compared to the other countries that were ranked. But it has significant improvement when it comes to its employment and its prices. Its prices is deemed to be very competitive, which signifies that the country has quite low levels of inflation. As for its government efficiency, it ranks quite low on its institutional framework, which we could see in its recent political turmoil, such as the separation from the Turkish Cypriot state from the main Cypriot state. But it has quite fairly high level of ranking when it comes to its public finance, business legislation, and societal framework. The thing that Cyprus tops among this category is in its tax policy, which we could see from the previous slide, states that Cyprus has a fairly well or very excellent tax policy. Its tax policy serves as a way to attract investors in the country. As for the business efficiency part of the competitiveness landscape, we could see that Cyprus's productivity and efficiency, labor market, and finance were ranked quite high among its ranking, followed by its attitude and values of its people, but it ranks quite low on its management practices. Now, on its infrastructure aspect, its basic infrastructure, technological, and scientific infrastructure were ranked quite low on the rankings, whereas its health and environment were ranked quite high, and the thing that it ranks among the top is its educational infrastructure.
Trivia about the Cyprus. Did you know Cyprus is home to the oldest wine producer, Commandaria? It is believed to be the oldest wine in the world, first produced in 1000 BC. People of Cyprus, although it is an independent country, are called Turkish Cypriots, in one region and Greek Cypriots in another. Cyprus has some 20 rare species of orchid.